Peter here, Pacific Trading Base, just here at a hotel in Haizong, and you can often just stop in at the buffet and pay the 100 VND at an upmarket hotel, and then you can get really good service, really good buffet breakfast for 100 VND, so about what, $7.50, and it's probably the only place you're going to get Western style food anywhere in Haizong, and a great coffee. So like, comment, subscribe, share. I'll just pass you in. There you go. So and the view out the window is a little bit better, but geez, that creek looks a bit dodgy. I definitely wouldn't swim in that creek.
This way, or you can see this green trees.
Oh yeah. But we get toast, eggs with no chicken in them, and butter and yogurt, knife and forks.
Spoons,
Yep.
spoons,
That's
salt
good.
and pepper.
Salt and pepper, toothpicks. Yep. Tissues, everything. So all good.